As season 8 of Uthando Nesithembu premieres on Wednesday the 2nd of January, I've decided to recap the previous seasons a little bit and make some predictions about the new season. So if you guys are interested, then do stay tuned. But before going to the video, I need to first request you to like it, and if you ain't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by holding down the channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. I am certain that you have all seen this season's trailer, but if you haven't watched, then please quickly go and watch it now, because things are not looking well for Musa Mseleku this season. And by observing the trailer, I feel like Musa is a bit weaker this season. So the trailer shows us that Musa Mseleku finally took his number 5, or he's going to show us the girl that is planning on making his number 5. And those who know the girl are saying that her name is Samye Kwela. Now, I don't know how true this is, but rumors are saying that this girl is only 24 years old, meaning that she's almost the same age as Mpumelelo and Lwandle. And many people are not happy about that. So as you might expect, the Ladies House on Facebook criticized Mseleku, stating that they won't be watching this season and will be fighting for the show to be cancelled if these news are really true. Now, since Musa Mseleku took his number 5, or has revealed who number 5 is going to be, many people have been asking Wuti what happens to Mangwabe and Mayeni, since they said that they will leave once Musa Mseleku brings wife number 5. So on this one, rumors are Mangwabe already left Mseleku and is now staying at Kaya Gubo. And those who watch the show remember that she built a very big house for her mom, so that is the house that she's rumored to be staying on at the moment. Now, I wanted us to talk about this. I don't really believe that Mangwabe really left or that she leave. I think the drama that Mangwabe brings all seasons is staged. I mean, Musa Mseleku always mentions this. Mangwabe came to Mseleku knowing that she's marrying a polygamist. I mean, she even gave Musa Mseleku 2 kids. Whereas she's not young anymore, and her kids would have to stay with Mseleku so she decided to leave. So I'm thinking, what even if she does want to leave? But the fact that she's gonna have her kids being raised by another woman will want to make her stay. But then, as I've said, these are just my thoughts. I'm not saying that this is what we should expect on Uthando Nesithembu this season, or that this is what is going to happen on the show. These are my thoughts. You, ladies and gentlemen, are also allowed to share your own thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Now, I don't know about this one, but people have been saying that ever since number 5 came Mseleku, or some people are already saying that number 5 is already staying Mseleku. I saw one YouTube video stating that number 5 already has a house Mseleku. So I'm not sure which house is she using, but the video that I saw was stating that she's staying in Matlele's house. Those who watched the last season will remember that there was a house that Usne was staying on, and the house that was dirty and all those things. So rumors are that number 5 is staying on that house. So I don't know how true is that, and that one is not interesting. The interesting part is that ever since wife number 5 came Mseleku, Makhumalo is losing her spot. Now, I don't know about this one, but people have been saying that Musa have lost interest on Makhumalo and that their relationship is not the same anymore. So that is another factor that I am looking forward to. So I'm looking to see how true is that. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, expect Uthando Nesithembu season 8 on Wednesday, the 22nd of January 2025. And do share your own thoughts, predictions, and rumors of season 8 there in the comment section. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.